for 5-Star Marine. Now, do you want to know what the weather's doing? Look. Beautiful today. It's stunning. But what's the weather going to do for the rest of the week? Well, luckily for you, someone's back to tell us what the weather's going to be like for all of next week. And it's going to be a very accurate forecast, and we won't be silly whatsoever. That's right. So, Sean, what's the weather doing next week?
Thanks for that, Jay. Oh, you're here again.
Yes.
You were just there.
No, yes, I was just there, wasn't I, Sean?
Ready? You been on a boat?
I was on the boat yesterday, Sean.
How was it?
It was lovely, apart from my assistant guy. It was a pain in my...
There's some conflict here, guys.
Oh,
Off camera.
Look at that face. Look at that duck face.
Wait, he's going to throw
It was
camera
fun.
at you.
Here, Sean, look. If Miguel's good enough, which I'm sure he is, he could even put an image on our green screen of us out yesterday.
An image, you know, a video?
Oh no, a video, yeah, it's probably the best thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I can put an image and a video. There you go. Good job, Miguel. Anyway, Sean.
Obviously the weather's good because you look a little bit...
It was very sunny yesterday. If you'd watched my weather report last week, which you obviously did, with my new little...
They did.
You didn't even see my little moving thing, did you?
No, I didn't.
He was great. We have to bring him back. Anyway, the weather this week...
Anyway, if you're bored of Jay...
No, I haven't finished! We're recording this on Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, but it's past now because you're probably watching this on Sunday night or Monday, which means Valentine's Day was last week, and it might have been good or bad. Yeah, you messed up there,
One
didn't you?
day.
Yeah. So we start Sunday.
Okay, got it.
Sunday.
Clear.
So Sean's back to do the weather, starting Sunday.
Anyway, guys, if this is your first time watching us, every single week we do a weather update. Why do we do it?
Every single week, I.
Yeah, well, here's the constant.
The constant.
Yeah, you're always here. I'm sometimes here. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
Constant, yeah.
Constant, yeah. Anyway,
Consistent?
I don't know, I'm going to sit like this. Carry on.
Julie just screwed her face.
Another duck face. Julie doesn't like me today. Would you get on with the weather?
Anyway, we do this every week. We do it because the apps around here are never accurate, always up.
Even though we use the apps.
And what I will say to you
Yes.
is actually, Jay, a guest messaged me yesterday and
Yes.
they said to me, the apps are always wrong and you are always right, and that's why I watch you.
But we use the
I
apps.
think it was your mum, actually.
What? You use my mum?
No, I think she messaged me just to give you some
My
thought.
mum would not message you. She doesn't know how to use technology.
Anyway,
Yes.
we use 3 apps, Jay,
Yes, we do. We use Windy.
which is the first one.
Yes.
Thanks for the segue, appreciate it. Yes. Anyway,
Well, you also get the first one. Yes, it is.
Windy basically tells us what's going on with the wind, and that's important because Jay has a whole speech.
Yes, because the wind dictates what the weather's like. So if it's blowing from a certain direction, we know what the waves are going to be like and how big the waves are going to be, and etc., 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 etc.,
And there's
etc.
3 basic colours that we look at. Blue means,
Good. No wind.
green means,
Little bit of wind.
yellow means.
Had loads of beans last night. Can I just say, if purple comes, you forgot purple. Purple's
yes.
friggin' amazing.
So we're
Love
looking.
purple.
We're looking here at Sunday and Sunday morning. It's bluey purple.
Which doesn't matter because you're watching this probably Sunday night.
What doesn't matter. Yeah, I'm just going to tell you what was it like. Good conditions in the morning. Clicking into the afternoon. Great conditions in the afternoon. So Sunday is looking nice. Moving forward to Monday.
I'm going out Monday on the boat.
Oh, you got good conditions.
I'm going to bioluminescence.
Oh, well, you got great conditions in the Pangna Bay.
Have I?
Yeah.
It's good, I like Pangai Bay.
In the afternoon, even better conditions.
Yes, and also, the good thing about that is it's not going to be full moon, because if you do full moon bioluminescence, it's too light. We should tell people that. It's quite important, you know.
He doesn't have any suntan, so it is full moon.
Oi! Not that time of moon. Moonies!
Tuesday, Jay.
Yes, I can't see.
It's the same.
Is it blue?
Predicted.
Good. Wednesday, blue.
Tuesday afternoon. So essentially, this season that we're in, everything's going to be very, very good, nice and calm conditions. There will be an exception every now and then, and that's what we kind of predict up to. But looking forward, Wednesday is also looking good.
Is it?
Thursday, oh, it's green.
That's what she said.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you like-
Oh,
I know, it's good, isn't
Are you
it?
the Mr. Monopoly man?
Yeah, I'm starting to get there. Getting
Anyway,
there.
green,
Yeah.
green in the morning.
I can't see. Is it?
Yeah.
Where? When's this? Thursday?
Thursday.
All right.
In the afternoon, a little bit lower. Why?
Because of the sea breeze.
So here in high season, we expect a little higher wind in the morning.
Do I have to do a
lower wind
whole
in the
pressure
afternoon?
system thing
No,
and how the
it's
land
not.
warms up and they get a sea breeze and it...
Moving to Friday. Oh my gosh!
That's what she said.
Oh, I was going to go
little,
out Friday.
little windy in the morning, calming down in the afternoon. This is normal
Because
kind of
next week's
seasonal.
half term for my kids, so we're going to go to PP on Friday. I haven't booked that one yet.
Are you putting them on the boat without you?
No, I was going to take them. I like them at the moment.
With the folks?
Let's move on.
You need to pick a boat.
That's what George said.
Look at Saturday. It's good. You should go Saturday, not Friday.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't go Saturday because Ashton's got trumpet lessons.
Bring the trumpet on the boat. You can practice on Mayo Bay.
That's a trombone.
Ah.
Trumpet's that.
Ah, okay.
You're doing trombone. I think.
Same thing.
Yeah, I guess so. Everyone's got the horn.
So basically every day next week except for Thursday.
What's wrong?
Thursday or Friday looks a little bit windy, but honestly, this is perfect boating conditions.
Isn't it just?
If we look at this in low season, it's going to be a totally different scenario.
What do you think, Julie?
Oh, she's smiling now.
Yes! I made a talk on camera yesterday.
Anyway, so windy-wise, we look good for the next week.
Cool, right.
If you're coming to Phuket and you'd like to go on a tour, I'd recommend any destination. Only looks a little bit bumpy out to Simulan, so probably skip over Simulan.
Yeah,
But
it's
we
a
say
long
that
way.
every video because you and I are prejudiced against Simulan.
No, I had this conversation with guests yesterday. It's just a 4-hour travelling time there and back.
So long.
And I just think, don't get me wrong, Simulan's stunning.
And no one wants to spend 4 hours.
And hey, actually, Kunun was out there yesterday, our guide, and she saw
he's a turtle.
Yeah, the massive turtle. Not that kind of turtle, this kind of turtle. See if Miguel gets that joke.
Did we save a turtle the other day?
We did.
Did
Why-
you do a video on that?
I did do it. No, we never went to see what happened to Sally. Who changed its name to Sally, by the way? Why?
Because I like it.
But you called it Stephanie, and then you changed it on Facebook, and I moaned at Julie for doing it. I was like, why have you changed her damn name to Sally? It's Stephanie.
It's silly.
I'm taking away the access for Sean for social media. Anyway, go on.
Anyway, AccuWeather.
AccuWeather is your basic forecast that you have. Sean just has to quickly update it, but it's your general forecast which gives you the temperatures, and it has a percentage of rain. Now, bear in mind.
And if you would like to book at Anantara,
What?
they got an ad.
Oh, well done, Anantara.
Yeah. You know, this morning I was looking at Anantara, that's why the ad comes up. Well, how do they know what I'm looking at?
Because they're watching you. Google's watching you.
We're watching you too. Sunday, Monday, like, who cares?
Yeah, I mean,
Honestly.
why
do we even
do you know
do
what?
this?
Do you know what? I bet it's gonna be 32 to 35. There'll be maybe a 10% chance of rain, and then one day I think on Thursday there'll be cloud cover, maybe a thunderstorm.
Julie looks bored.
She does look really bored. I wish we had the camera that way right now.
Anyway, the radar says that everything. That
It's high season. It's gonna be hot and lovely.
Honestly, stop watching Book Two.
No, don't stop watching. You haven't done the radar bit yet.
I've done it already.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't even see that. That radar's pointless because that's for right now. This is Friday the 14th, so none of you are going to be watching it now. Right.
Yeah,
Is that
good
it?
job.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
I'll see you next week.
Will you?
I don't know.
Let's hope so.
Hope so.
If you've got any questions about the weather, please comment below and watch our shorts because we do update weekly, daily weather videos as well.
And send us a photo that you think is Julie or Gary. She's on our social media. You just got to find out which one.
Yeah,
it is.
which one? That's a great game. I should take that. Right, thanks for watching.